TriniBad MC making moves in Jamaica. He calls himself the architect of the current hardcore dancehall scene in the Twin Island Republic. But Deejay Punz with a stark warning about the lines blurring between crime and music back home.
I prefer dancehall over soca.
He sure does.
When I growing up, my sister them had Bounty Killer album and Sizzler. So since I going to school, I love dancehall, bro.
So you weren't winding up your waist to soca?
Nah.
You were skanking.
They should just say this and that about dancehall, but at the end of the day, most of them soca songs is getting drunk and gyrating. You know, I don't really see so much positive messages in this soca, like what did they say?
Trinidad and Tobago with a hardcore dancehall scene. TriniBad, the sound of the Twin Island Republic's disaffected youth. And Deejay Punz, a leading personality behind its rise.
I would say I am the architect in terms of I strategize how to get artists popping, buzzing. I work with guys like TJ, Squash, Skilly Bang. I pull all these strings together and probably interviews, carry them in certain hotspots to meet the people who they need to meet to get the career to that level now, you know? I'm a grown man.
He also hosts online mixes on YouTube, promoting both TriniBad and Jamaican dancehall. So how did the TriniBad name come about?
We've been doing dancehall in Trinidad for years, but we never really broke the ceiling because soca was the main genre. So when it started to get steam now, we integrate the dancehall with the streets, talking about reality. That
reality often violent, fueled by drug transshipment and rising crime.
So when men sing about what's going on in the streets, they say, nah boy, that dancehall bad boy, that TriniBad dancehall. And that's how we merge the name to create the TriniBad movement.
So what are the big names in
TriniBad
music?
Prince Swanee, Boy. You all might know about a guy called Byron Messiah. He is born Jamaican, grew up St. Kitts, but his style is a TriniBad style.
To you, Byron Messiah is a dancehall artist?
Yeah, with a TriniBad style.
More TriniBad than any other style?
Yeah, for sure. I know I heard him say in the interview, he doing dancehall and he's a rapper. Hey, he's a dancehall artist singing TriniBad music. That is what I say. How he is infusing trap into the soul, into the Afro beats, is how everything else merged now, boy.
How bad is TriniBad?
Very bad. Well, it has bad, we don't say bad as good. So the kind of views we was getting as a new genre in Trinidad, they was like, nah boy, this movement bad. Even though they have bad things to say about us as well.
They're not just saying bad things. They're
doing bad things.
And they're on the radar of the cops.
Yeah, and I would tell all the artists right now, to music, if you want to be a criminal, but you cannot be a criminal and an artist.
How do you know they're doing bad criminal things?
Well, law enforcement targeting them, random searches, but it's really what you're portraying is what will put you on what radar. In the TriniBad movement, at least 5-6 artists in the last 3 years lost their life to gun violence now, boy.
Why is the gangster persona so popular among these young men?
The whole social media trending, you know, all these songs about girls who love bad man, all these things going to these youth's head and everybody wanna be bad.
How does the rest of Trinidad deal with this phenomenon of TriniBad?
The youths love the TriniBad.
So does that mean they don't like the soca? Or they like both?
They like it, but they just love TriniBad more.
So it's the pulse of the younger generation.
Yeah, it's the pulse of the streets. I call it action music. I would wish these artists keep it in the music rather than bring it to real life, because right now, innocent lives getting lost now, boy. People in real life want to do real bad things because of what they've seen in movies and hearing in songs. They're caught in this bubble, and like they're not seeing people just losing their life. They're not seeing it.
How bad is the crime problem in Trinidad?
Real bad. I ain't even coming to sugarcoat nothing. The crime rate out of control right now.
So where does that leave DJ Punz?
I distinctly separate the elements. So we don't promote no gang vibes. We don't promote nothing outside music. We do straight music, and we encourage all youths to pre success, money, and music. That's my mission now, boy.
Is the message falling on deaf ears?
I would say so, but I ain't giving up.
You feel personally unsafe in Trinidad sometimes and moving in the circles that you move in?
Yeah, but what I go do? I can't hide forever. It's a dangerous place. When I leave my house, I just pray. Every day I leave my house, I just pray.
I guess, if you leave your house with your big chain, somebody's going to have envious eyes on that chain.
Yeah. The good thing is, where I come from are highly rated and respected. So the few who might want to do something won't take the chance.
What's the hottest Jamaican name in Trinidad right now?
I would still say Skilly Bang was the hottest name, the biggest name. But they had the new too hot to like Kraft, Pablo IG, you understand? Valiant was hot the other day.
So they follow closely what's happening in Jamaica and who is hot?
Yeah, like right now, Rockbat is his slang, Raja White, Rockbat. People call themselves Rockbat this, Rockbat that. If Alkaline touched down, oh gosh, it's about Chronicler. If he touched down, place mash up.
Are they plugged into how to make money?
Nah,
is that what they're thinking of, or they're just thinking of the rep?
Plenty of them don't know. I just try to educate them about streaming because you don't know how it is go. Artists feel 1 million views is $1 million. I don't know where they're getting that thinking from. Especially YouTube views, which is the least, they feel like the most. So plenty of them uneducated, they ignorant, but there's a few one like Swanee. Swanee, how he head on. He had distribution, he had publishing.
What is the future of TriniBad music? Is it something that's going to fade away, or is it here to stay?
I believe it's here to stay because of what it started off as. What I see it as is the leaves have to shed for new leaves to grow.
How come TriniBad hasn't really caught on in Jamaica, you think?
Well, the main reason what I think is the right marketing, the right connections.
One big spliff chant, the one time for the evening.
That may change. DJ Punz here for business with the likes of Kraft and Pablo IG, selling them on the benefits of cross-marketing.
This 1 week here is like vacation, because from next week, every weekend I booked out till March already.
Booked out doing what, people will say?
Shelling down the parties. That's why it's called the Shell Down God.
You must come back to the Island Music Conference in February in Jamaica, because it will be a good time for you to make some connections here and to plug your vision and your message about TriniBad.
Correct. And try to put it in the right direction where it needs to be.
Which is?
Entertainment and not criminality. Well on the man! Bang!